Honorable Minister of Education, Professor G.L. Piris, keynote speaker, Secretary to the Ministry of Education, Professor Kapila Pereira, Secretary to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Admiral Professor Jayanath Columbage, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Defense and Administration, Brigadier Nanda Hathur Singh, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academics, Professor Jayantha Ariratna, Deans of Faculties, Directors of Centers, Academics, Senior Military Officers, Administrative Staff, students, and all distinguished guests who are connected with us in the cyberspace. Good morning to all of you. First and foremost, let me warmly welcome our chief guest, Professor G.L. Piris, Minister of Education, for kindly accepting our invitation and for gracing this occasion as the chief guest of this inaugural session of our International Research Conference, KDU 2020. Sir, we consider your presence here this morning as one of the most renowned and erudite scholars the country have ever produced in the field of law as a great honor to Kotalala Defense University. You have been with us always to support us and witness the progress made by KDU. Your contribution to the KDU is much appreciated. Let me also warmly welcome our keynote speaker, Professor Kapila Pereira, Secretary to the Ministry of Education and former Vice Chancellor Moratuwa, who is having a very close affinity with KDU as an illustrious member of our Alumni Association, being Officer Cadet of Intake 2 KDA then, and your contribution towards the development of a university as a former Director of Academics of KDU is much appreciated and acknowledged. Then I also welcome Admiral Professor Jayanath Columbage, Secretary to the Foreign Affairs and former Commander of the Navy. His name goes in the history of KDU as the first PhD holder, and your contribution towards KDU always is much appreciated, sir. I warmly welcome our invited distinguished participants of the first Defense Plenary Session. They are all joining us online. Air Marshal Dipendu Chowdhury, AVSM, VSM Commandant NDC India, that is National Defense College India, Professor Rohan Gunratna, Professor of Security Studies, Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, Major General Asif Ali, Director General ISRA, Pakistan, and Director General National Defense University, Pakistan, Dr. Rong Ying, Vice President, CIIS, China, Major General M. Tahir, Comsat University, Pakistan, and Major General retired Dr. Sahid Ahmad Asmat, former Pakistan High Commissioner to Sri Lanka, and Major General Ruwan Wanigasuri is available, VSV, USP, NDU, USA, CGSC, Commandant Sri Lanka Volunteer Force. I also welcome other distinguished guests and invitees participating online as well. KDU from its inception was instrumental in handing down the core values of security to the development paradigm in Sri Lanka. This year's theme, Holistic Approach to National Growth and Security, highlights the importance of maintaining harmonious blend in security and development in all national projects in Sri Lanka. We all know the importance of establishing an effective security network for sustainable development, and security goes hand in hand. As you are aware, this year's conference is taking place amidst very challenging circumstances, so much so that it becomes a landmark event of KDU in terms of its resolution to ensure the continuity of events at KDU even under most trying circumstances. And this conference is also significant because the year 2020 marks the 40 years of existence of KDU, and since its inception in 1980, and this is the 13th consecutive year of the KDU IRC. I could still remember Professor Kapila initiated this in KDU, and I was fortunate to be there as the Vice Chancellor to be understudying the then Vice Chancellor in 2008 December. KDU initially established as a tri-service academy known as the KDA, the Kothallawala Defence Academy then, marked the significant diversion in 2007 with the renaming of KDA then as the General Sir John Kothallawala Defence University. By then, His Excellency the President of Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, Mahinda Rajapaksa. Since 2009, I must make a special mention about the guidance and immense contribution made by His Excellency the President of Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, Gotabaya Rajapaksa, as the Secretary to the Ministry of Defence then and the Chairman of the Board of Management, KDU, kept a giant leap forward to become a fully fledged university with 9 academic faculties and a university hospital with the state-of-the-art facilities. That is the one and only university hospital in Sri Lanka, and we are also having planned to establish 2 more faculties in the forthcoming year, that is Faculty of Criminal Justice and Faculty of Technology. With this phenomenal change, the KDU began expanding its horizon to provide its high-quality higher education opportunities to civilian students, which was a novel idea then, to get the civil students also to study along with the cadets, thereby reducing the burden on the state universities of the country, giving higher education opportunities for more than 1,000 day scholars per year. Today, the university is ready to march forward steadfastly, contributing to national needs, combining the national security domain with higher education needs of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, KDU International Research Conference has been attracting local and foreign presenters, participants, and more importantly, renowned scholars and professionals of the highest caliber, both locally and internationally. However, in this year, the global pandemic situation has restricted having them physically present at KDU. Otherwise, usually more than 25 scholars from other universities, including defense universities, used to participate in this conference. But many of our invitees will join us online to enrich the deliberations through this novel experience of having the conference on a virtual platform. I reckon that this is a blessing in disguise for us to travel on a trodden path for new discoveries. KDU IRC has been instrumental in establishing and strengthening the much-needed research culture, not only at KDU, but also in the whole country. We have been attracting papers from almost all universities, from many research institutions and other organizations, locally and internationally, and representing even North and East provinces, which I reckon is a very encouraging sign. And the impact of growing research culture was evident during the first breakout of COVID-19 early this year, where our staff and students were researching day and night for creating various products and inventions of our own to help to fight the COVID-19 pandemic in Sri Lanka. So it is heartening to note that this year's conference, there are many research papers reaching the conference secretariat, which involve the student community of our 9 faculties and other universities too, including foreign. Therefore, we are proud that we have created a platform for emerging researchers and scientists for showcasing their research outcomes at KDU Research Conference. And it is our fervent belief that inculcating and fostering the research culture and enhancing the quality and quantity of research in various disciplines in the country can raise the resilience levels of society and the nation as a whole. This year's conference has attracted 650 plus submissions, which I believe is a very clear indication of the right enthusiasm growing in the country towards research, particularly in the development and security domains. So we are proud as a university to be able to stand up resolutely to fulfill the needs of the nation, especially at a time when such efforts are much needed. I believe the efforts of security-based education aiming at strengthening the national development should be more cooperative in the future, and KDU has always facilitated any research efforts that strengthen the national security framework of our nation. We urge the academic community, both local and overseas, to join hands with us in our future endeavors to support the nation, especially through productive research in diverse disciplines. The organizers of the KDU International Research Conference intend to set the tone to initiate more collaborative research at national and global levels. This research conference is an ideal platform to make the connections. I hope that authors of KDU and various other local and international universities will take the opportunity to interact and develop friendly relationships, establish networks, and to explore win-win situations. I wish all the very best for presenters and hope you will enjoy every moment of this academic fusion taking place on 2 whole days, that is today and tomorrow. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the contribution made by the Secretary of Defense, Major General Kamal Gunratna, as the chairman of the Board of Management, and the Tri-Service Commanders, Lieutenant General Shavendra Silva, Army Commander, as well as the Defense Chief of Defense Staff, Vice Admiral Nishantha Ulungathanna, Commander of the Navy, and Air Marshal Sumangala Dias, Commander of the Air Force, being the board members of the Board of Management and Additional Secretary, Mr. Sarath Nonis. Their contribution towards the development of KDU is much appreciated, and we extend our warm regards, though they are not available today at this conference. I wish that presenters and participants, and also I would like to thank the Deputy Vice Chancellor Defense, Brigadier Nanda Hathur Singh, and Professor Jayant Aradna, DVC Academics, and Dr. Pradeep Kalansurya, the conference chair, and Secretary Mr. Sanath De Silva and their team, and all staff at KDU in organizing this event successfully, focusing on various aspects, and especially under trying conditions. Finally, let me once again welcome our chief guest and the keynote speaker and other distinguished guests on behalf of the KDU staff. I wish that presenters and participants would have all the courage to continue their pursuit with determination to link up with international community to work towards national growth and development through their research. Thank you, good luck, stay safe. Thank you.